Jay, thank you so much for joining us tonight. I can't tell you how excited and thrilled we are to have The Tonight Show be the first official show in our new life as the NBC3 station here. So thank you very much. Now tell us, be the NBC pitchman for just a moment. Tell us about the exciting quality programming that our viewers can expect.
Oh, all kinds of quality. Emerald is no longer with us. Inside Schwartz is gone. So it's just going to be Dateline and Law & Order about 60 hours a week.
60 hours a week, huh? All right, Jay, New Year's Eve, a big lineup, I'm sure, on the show tonight. Tell us what we can expect to see there.
Well, we're going to have some fun tonight. It'll be live, so if something happens, we can't edit. We have this thing called, I think it's called Don't Try This Sober, where people are going to do these ridiculous stunts. I have no idea what they are, but I understand they're quite odd. Chris Isaak will be with us. Bill Maher is going to do some stand-up comedy for us. Janine Garofalo will be live in Times Square. We'll be cutting back and forth to her as the ball drops. See, out here we don't have the ball. We have Robert Downey Jr. falls off the roof of the rehab center. That's
next best thing, huh?
Yeah.
What about a New Year's resolution? Anything going there?
New Year's resolution? I'd like to gain 15 pounds. That was my resolution last year, and I only gained about 6, so I'm hoping this year. See, I set realistic goals, and I think that's important.
Realistic is good. Okay, well, on a very realistic note, hey, Jay, thank you so much for joining us, and again, we are thrilled.
Thanks, you guys, and there'll be a little something extra in your envelopes this week as well.
Hey, we like that.
All right, Jay. Thanks so much for being such a good sport for us today and for leading.
Thanks a lot. Happy New Year.
Thank you. Happy New Year to you.
Bye-bye. I'm looking forward to